But first of all, we can make a campaign from here itself, and we don't have to do a lot of things for that. Click on save to account. The campaign name, let's make the campaign name as Malaysia. I am writing, you can write whichever you want. Okay, default bid, as you can see, in 60 rupees I was getting around 17 clicks at the cost of daily budget of 600. So you can define this over here as well. Okay, so that makes a symmetry. You have defined the bid as 60 rupees or 59.82 is almost 60 rupees, and the daily budget is around 600 rupees. So you define it and you create a new campaign, or you want these ad groups in some of the existing campaigns. Okay, you are redefining the new campaign, or you are making a new campaign. You can make it using to an existing campaign, and you can select the campaign in which you want to move all these ad groups. You can do that as well, but we prefer to do it in the new campaign as we do not have already existing campaign. If you have already existing and you want to add certain other keywords or ad groups into it, you can go by this method. If you do not want, you want to create a fresh campaign, you can go with this. Right now I am going into a fresh campaign and click on save to accounts. Is that campaign ready?
Hold on. It still says save to account.
Have you saved it?
Yep.
Show your screen.
Yeah.
Have you saved the save to accounts, that campaign, or download that keywords?
I tried to download, but it says I have to create a bid.
Get ideas.
I have saved already.
Have you saved it?
Yeah. Where do?
Click on
Yes.
campaigns then. Click on campaigns. The second tab in the top. Yeah, you can see the draft campaign.
This one, right?
Yep, this one. Correct. Do you think the campaign is ready?
Nope. I don't think so.
What is left out?
Don't we have to go through the ads?
Yes, very correct. The ads are missing. We have only selected the keywords.
Keywords.
Now we have to make ads related to each ad group. So what we can do and how we can make an ad is, let me make myself as a presenter, then let me show it. Okay, the campaign right now I have is, your one was, what was the name I've given? Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Okay. As you can see, I have these ad groups. Okay, when you click on Malaysia, you see the ad groups. Okay, second tab is settings.
Yep.
Okay, if you want to change the type of ads, you want to change the budget and everything, you can change it. But if you do not want, you can keep it. If you want to make changes in the ad group, you want to change the name of the ad group, you can change it. Okay, it's up to you. You want to make changes or not into it. Now how to make an ads or how to check keywords, like in internet station, if I want to check which keywords are there, you can directly click on it. Okay, you can see the keywords in it. The keywords are radio stations on internet, radio station, internet, free internet radio station, free station on internet, internet talk radio station, radio internet stations, internet radio stations, and a lot of keywords are in under this ad group, but the common word in these are radio stations. So how to make an ad is you have to go into ads. Okay, click on ads. Now as you can see, this is the dark one, internet station. So we are making ads specially for this ad group. We are not making for the whole campaign. We are making it for the internet station. So now you click on it. You got this ad. There are 5 parts in the ad. Okay, there are 5 parts in the ad. First is the headline. Second is description line 1 and description line 2. Third is display URL. Fourth is final URL. If I want to show how your ad would be like. Okay, it is not showing ad to me right now. Or you just see over here, this is the headline. Okay, this is the first description line. This is the second description line. Okay, display URL is this www.example.com, and the final URL is on the page which you want to send the user. Okay, the optimized landing page for this particular ad group. You can define that. So as the keyword, if you look at the keyword, our ad group name was radio station or internet stations. So all the keywords will be containing that. So you can go into ads, create an ad, and you can give the keyword like access internet radio stations, but the limit with this headline is that you can write only 25 characters. Okay, in the headline you can write only 25 characters. So get, instead of access you can write get internet. No, even you cannot write that. So this is the maximum thing you can write, internet radio stations, internet radio station, access our radio station on internet. Okay, free of cost with latest presenters, with, I don't know what we call it, presenters or different way of writing it, with popular presenters, and you can write even the name of them. Okay, if you want to see this, how your ad is looking like, it depends upon what you want to display to the audience. You can define it like, okay, as you can see the minus sign, -2, it will not allow your ad to be saved out because it should not cross the limit of 25. Are you getting, Johanna?
Yep.
Okay, one.
What do you mean by cannot cross 25?
What?
You were saying it cannot cross 25.
I was saying you cannot save it if the minus sign is showing here, like if I write MMM, you can see there is a minus sign.
Yeah.
Then you cannot save this ad because it is crossing the limit. It has given you the limit of 35 characters. And this is one more important thing which you can check it is, if I put a full stop over here, okay, in the ad preview you can see, just see, check the change. Are you able to see the change? Any change into it? in the ad preview, if I write the full stop sign,
Yeah.
the first description line is moved along with the heading. Yes or no? If you remove the sign, it goes down. If you put the full stop, it moves up.
Yeah.
Okay, how it affects, like if I write down, let's search digital marketing. Okay, none of them is doing it. Digital marketing course. Okay, if you could see this ad and this ad, it is showing digital marketing course and kkmi.edu.in. If you see this, digital marketing course, theory plus practical plus assignments.
Yep.
See the difference. If I'm not putting the full stop at the end, this will be coming here, learn from the expert. Getting my point?
Yes. Got it.
Okay. And if you put the full stop, it is coming and it is more visible, as this text is in very lower fonts and this text is in high size of fonts. The size of the font is big compared from here. So your user will be able to see your information more in comparison to this one. So that's why we put the full stop. Okay. You can write free access free access to internet to radio station to internet radio stations. You can define it. It's up to you how you write the ad copy. But whenever you are writing the ad copy, you should keep these things in mind, whether you have to put the full stop or not. Okay, you have to write the best ad copy so that the user click on it. Remember, there are few things. One is the full stop. Second is, whenever you are writing any of the important word, like I have written free access, F is capital, A is capital, in radio, R is capital, S is capital, and I is capital. To grab the attention of the user, we make the first letter capital, first alphabet capital of the important keywords, not the supporting keywords like to. To is just a supporting word. We do not give importance to it, and we do not mark make the first alphabet as the capital. This is the second thing. Third is, if what happen if I take the user query. Okay, whatever the user is typing, I make it the headline of my ad. Do you think it is a good idea, Johanna? Whatever user is searching, if we make this as a headline of our ad, is it a good idea or not?
I think it's too broad though. No? Yeah. See, at least this one, it just drills down back to just Malaysia or India, but yeah. Can I put in the word Malaysia?
Yeah, you can put the word Malaysia over here. It depends upon how you write the ad copy. It is the you have to think what is he's going to get exactly after clicking on this ad. Okay, so you give free access to internet station with popular presenters of Malaysia. You can define popular Malaysia presenters. It is up to you. You have to define it. Then is the display URL, the website homepage URL. You have to write whatever the URL is. Right now, it was Surya. Surya dot
Surya FM
Surya FM
.com.my.
.com.my.
Yep.
Okay, you can define that. Even if you want to add a keyword, you can add a keyword. This is just a display URL, nothing else. You can write if even the page does not exist, still you can write it. Radio station. Okay, whenever you are writing a two words after the slash, you have to give the, instead of giving the space, you have to write the hyphen. Okay. And then you can give the free access page where he is going to get the page where he can listen the radio. If I select and copy, where he can listen the radio, online radio, where he can listen it. Tell me, Joanna.
Still loading very slowly.
This is the thing you have to improve. There is no option there. Because how good you do the marketing, if your website is slow, you can't literally do anything. Where you can listen the FM, live FM.
No, it's actually at the top. You go to the left-hand corner. Go scroll all the way to the top. Yeah, where your cursor is. Yes, the streaming.
Nothing is audible.
Sorry?
It is not audible.
That's strange. Let me try myself.
Let me try the other one. Are you able to hear it?
I'm waiting for the page to load and then I can hold on. Yeah. Yeah, it's still loading. Nothing is upcoming yet. Yours as well? You can't hear any songs, right?
No, I can't hear any song. It's still loading.
Yeah, still loading.
That is very strange. If you're looking forward to let people listen, then you have to give them the music.
Yeah.
Okay, start. Check out with your team whether they are doing anything or not.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to give them the direct URL, like the URL they are streaming. You have to give them the direct URL. This URL, you can give it as the final URL so that they will be landing on the streaming page. Okay, and where they can listen the music instead of sending them to the home page because it's not required. Yes or no?
Yep.
They are here to listen the page, so they are here to listen the music. So live streaming you can give it. You can define the name of your channel as well. Okay, Surya FM. Okay, Surya Internet Radio Station or Surya FM radio station. The way it could be represented. Okay, the best way to represent it. Once you define it, you can define the headline as well. Like I can insert the keywords. What does insert the keyword is? I write, I'm just doing it, just see it, then I will be telling you what exactly this means is. The meaning of this is, what I have just written is, you can see in the curly brackets I have written keyword and then double colons and then internet radio station. Yes or no? What does this exactly means, Johanna, is once you write the this keyword like internet radio station, whatever if you write in this particular manner, what happens is whatever your user is searching, okay, whatever your user is searching, he will see the
Yep.
headline. Okay, like let's suppose he's searching a digital marketing course in Delhi. If I'm using the keywords like keyword double colons internet radio station, then what my user will be getting is in the headline it will not be digital marketing course. It will be coming digital marketing course in Delhi. Whatever the user is searching, he will see in the headline. So that makes your ad more relevant.
Okay.
Okay, this is another technique, but whenever you are using the full stop technique and this keyword technique, do not use in the same ad. Okay, do not use in the same ad. Why? Because if the user query is longer, okay, user query is already longer, so he cannot accommodate your first description line. So he will not show your first description line. To avoid such a collision, either you pick the keyword one or either you pick the full stop technique, or you can make two ads even. You can save this one without the full stop and you can create another ad. Click on add and here you remove the keyword one from here. Okay, and you define the full stop. In this way you make two ads one by one with the keyword insertion and another one is free radio station with the full stop. So you make two ads, both the ads goes generally under review. Okay, under review for what? Google wants to check out whether it is safe for their user or not. It gets approval. Once this this ad will get approval in next 24 hours. Okay, within 24 hours Google approved it. If you do not receive the approval, you can write a mail to support@adwords.google.com for get the approval. Clear, Johanna?
Yep.
So now start making ads. Let me see what you write in the ads.
Hold on, yeah. Where is mine?
Click on screen sharing. I can see your screen so that I can see your screen. Click on draft campaign.
Yep.
In which ad group you want to make an ad. Click on that ad group. Click. Cancel. Click on it. Click on where internet market. Yes, click on it. Now it will open the keywords. Now you can see the keywords, different keywords. You have to use these keywords while writing the ads. Okay.
Yep.
Because how your ad will become relevant to it is just you have to use these keywords into ads. So make
Yep.
an ad now.
So I click onto this, right?
No, you don't have to click on this. Go up, more up. You see a column of ads. Click on it.
Yep, this one.
Yep. Now you can make ad in this ad group. Click on plus sign, plus ad, plus AD is written. Now make an ad. Think of the content. Make a good attractive ad. Think over it. Give 5-10 minutes to it, and then write an ad.
I have to base it back to the keyword group, is it, just now?
Yes.
To the ad group, is it?
Yes. The ad group which you are using here is internet stations. So you have to think. You can check out again the keywords, which are the keywords over there. Click on keywords, you will find the keywords.
Radio stations. Can I put my brand here?
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yeah, that is pretty fine, but you have to make capitalization into it, like the word online, in the term online in the headline, you can write O as a capital one.
Like that.
Okay. In entertainment, you can keep E as a capital. One stop, you can keep it as capital, S and one, S and O. And do not write click here to listen now. Okay.
Here and
Do not write click here to listen now, because user has to click it and to reach to your website. Just a second. Just a second, Johanna.
Okay. Okay. I want coffee or milk tea.
Okay, because user knows. Okay, now you do not write click here to listen now, because the reason is user is here to listen only. Okay, you can write something very attractive, get a free access to our radio station. Okay, a thing like that which give them the feeling that they are getting a new thing uh, at zero cost. Okay,
Like that?
yeah, listen now for free,
Yep.
or request your song, even you can give that as well. It depends upon if you have an option like that.
Yeah, okay. Nice.
Yep. Okay, make F, S and N in the last one as capital. Y also. Okay, this looks perfect, but in the destination URL, will he able to listen it?
Sorry? No, I think this is
That
has to
screen.
be streaming.
Okay, and in the display URL you can write slash internet stations, internet hyphen station, not space, hyphen stations, station. Now it looks perfect. You can put a full stop after the entertainment. No, do not write station, because it is going -1. You have to say it should be 0 or any value into it. Okay, now listen to Surya FM online, your one-stop entertainment. Request your favorite song now, and that is it. Now you can save the ad. This is one ad. You have to make different ad copies so that you don't know exactly what user is looking forward to. Okay, he might like this ad also, he might like my ad also, so you have to make at least 2 to 3 or 4 copies of it so that he can listen it. The next thing is, in the whole ad, did we write the keywords? Did we include the keywords? What was our keyword? Click on keywords.
Internet.
Click on keywords. Like our keywords were radio station on internet radio station. Go on ad. Yes or no? There is the term which we use is radio station on internet or free radio station. These are the key main words in the whole number of keywords. If you go on ads, go on ads.
Go on ad.
Yes.
Yep.
Are we using anywhere these terms? Radio station.
No.
So is it a good ad? Even after
No.
writing everything correct, still the ad
Yeah.
is not relevant.
Okay.
Okay. So make it relevant. Think of some line which includes these keywords or any of these keywords. Click on this sign. edit sign. Click on it. Yes, I understand.
This one, right?
Yep. Now you can edit that. Try to include at least one time in headline the keyword. Listen to Surya. Listen Surya F. Surya FM radio. You have to write on, not the. Do not put the. You don't have to be very correct on English, but it should be understandable. That is it. You have written it. But station is not coming. Listen to.
Yeah.
Take your time. Write down.
Okay.
Listen to Surya FM radio, now available free for internet. Surya FM, your number one Malay station. Perfect. Looks great. Put the dot one, dot in the first description
Oh.
line. Full stop. Yeah. Now it's look the perfect. Or you can even change it. The second line can become the first line can become the second line. What do you think?
That means this one to be the third line, is it?
Yep. It doesn't have a space. Looking perfect? What do you think?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, now you can save it. In the similar way, you should create at least 2 to 3 ads, not one ad, different ad copies you have to try. Okay, at least for this ad group, you make at least 2 different ad copies, thinking of different words you can use in it. Okay, try to make it like the one which we have created just now. Make 2 different others. How to create another one is click on plus sign and you can create the second one. So start creating it. You can change the content and then make second and third ad. I will check it just.
But
Yeah.
but using the simile stuff, right?
Yep. Now think of some different content, but which contains keywords as well.
How about this version?
This is also looking good. Surya FM radio station now available free on internet. On the internet लिखनी जरूरत है. On internet is enough. Okay, because we are not much concerned about the prepositions over here or the. It should make out the sense directly. And one stop free music online. Yeah, one stop free music online. Perfect. Correct. You can save this ad as well. Okay, in this way you can make at least 3 ads in one ad group, and you have 4 ad groups. You can make it later on. Okay, let's proceed further. Let me open my screen.
They won't suddenly charge my credit card, right? Because I haven't activated anything, right?
Yeah, they haven't. You have to, if, just give me a second. Let me connect to you again. Just open your screen. Click on all campaigns over here. Click on campaign in the top. Yep. Pause it. Pause this campaign. Okay. Now it will not touch your credit card. It will not deduct any amount out of it because all the campaigns are paused. So you don't pay it from your pocket. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen.